Is it true Zimbabwean families are losing their cultural identity? This is a sticky subject, but let's talk about it. Welcome to my channel. Today I will share my opinion on this subject, and I invite you to share your honest opinion. I feel it's high time we address the elephant in the room. Are Zimbabwean families losing their cultural identity? In Zimbabwe, the phenomenon of families losing their cultural identity by assimilating into multiple cultures is becoming increasingly evident. This cultural assimilation can be stemming from several factors, including globalization, migration, education, and the influence of modern technology and media. Key factors contributing to cultural assimilation: globalization, economic integration. The integration of Zimbabwe into the global economy has facilitated the exchange of cultural practices, ideas, and values. As Zimbabweans engage in international trade, travel, and communication, they are exposed to and adopt foreign cultural norms. Cultural exchange. The proliferation of international brands, media, and entertainment has introduced Zimbabweans to diverse cultural practices, leading to the adoption of global lifestyles and attitudes. Migration. Diaspora communities. Many Zimbabweans have emigrated to countries such as the United Kingdom, South Africa, and the United States in search of better economic opportunities. In these new environments, they are often influenced by the dominant cultures, which can lead to a dilution of their traditional practices. Return migration. When migrants return to Zimbabwe, they often bring with them the cultural influences they have absorbed abroad, further contributing to the blending of cultures. Education. Western education systems. The adoption of Western education systems in Zimbabwe has exposed students to Western philosophies, languages, and cultural practices, which can sometimes overshadow traditional Zimbabwean values. Cultural shift. Education often promotes modernity and global citizenship, which can sometimes be at odds with traditional customs and practices. Technology and media. Internet and social media. The widespread use of the internet and social media platforms has made global cultures more accessible. Zimbabwean youth, in particular, are influenced by global trends in fashion, music, and lifestyle shared online. Television and film. International television programs and movies portray lifestyles and values that can influence Zimbabwean viewers, leading to the adoption of foreign cultural norms. Impacts on Zimbabwean identity. Language. Erosion of indigenous languages. English is increasingly becoming the dominant language, especially among the younger generation, leading to a decline in the use of indigenous languages like Shona and Ndebele. Cultural expression. Language is a crucial carrier of culture. The loss of indigenous languages can lead to a decline in the transmission of traditional knowledge, stories, and customs. Traditional practices. Zimbabwe Shona people rituals and ceremonies. Traditional rituals and ceremonies, such as those related to marriage, funerals, and initiation rites, are being replaced or modified to align with modern practices. Dress and cuisine. Traditional dress and cuisine are increasingly being replaced by Western styles and foods, leading to a loss of cultural uniqueness, values, and norms. Family structure. The traditional extended family system is giving way to nuclear family structures, influenced by Western norms. Community and social cohesion. The communal lifestyle, characterized by strong community ties and collective responsibility, is being eroded by individualistic values. Balancing modernity and tradition. Cultural preservation initiatives. Education programs, incorporating indigenous languages and cultural studies into the national curriculum can help preserve Zimbabwean heritage. Cultural festivals. Promoting and participating in cultural festivals can revive interest in traditional practices. Community engagement. Intergenerational dialogue. Encouraging dialogue between the older and younger generations can facilitate the transmission of cultural knowledge and practices. Community projects. Supporting community projects that celebrate and preserve traditional arts, crafts, and practices. Policy support. Government initiatives, policies that support the preservation and promotion of cultural heritage can help mitigate the loss of cultural identity. International cooperation, collaborating with international organizations to protect and promote intangible cultural heritage. In conclusion, while assimilation into multiple cultures presents opportunities for growth and diversification, it also poses significant challenges to the preservation of Zimbabwean cultural identity. Balancing modernity with tradition is essential to ensure that Zimbabwean heritage remains vibrant and relevant in a rapidly changing world. What do you think? I'm keen to hear your opinion on this. Subscribe if you haven't done so. It helps me to continue creating videos of this kind. Meet you next time when we explore more things about tradition and our heritage.